Alright, so for today's video, guys, we're going to show to you the staking in King of Legends. So currently in this portion right here, you will be able to see the previous token KOL that you will be able to stake it here. So I'm just going inside here. So this is like the platform it sets, and if you're going to stake it for, let's say, 12-month period, you can earn around 10% a month. So this is like the new KOL. So you will be able to buy it from Bitmark. So if you go into search it on Bitmark, and for example, we go into the spot, and now we search for KOL. You can buy it directly here. So this is the current price of KOL token. So after you bought it, you will just transfer it into Binance Smart Chain, and then after that, you transfer it into your MetaMask account, and then you connect your account here, and you'll be able to stake it here. So for example, you can stake like 180 days, right? And you need some also USDTs as well. But either way, you can stake whether in Bitmark or even here. So also in this portion right here, we have LOH staking. So for the LOH staking, as you can see, you'll be able to get LOH if you will stake your USDTs or LOH into this platform. So in this dashboard, you'll see that I have like $5,000 in stake, and you will receive a daily rewards here. So you'll be able to see that I also made some withdrawals to test it out if it's working. But here we go, you are getting 0.3% daily profit, and like this is like the history. So I do think that if you're using something like this, then definitely it's a good thing. It's really a good thing for you guys, because you'll be able to like maximize your profits. So this is like the old KOL. So we do advise that when you have an old KOL, you need to go into this portion right here, and when you connect your account at this portion, um, you'll be able to like swap a specific amount of KOL here as well. So you will just deposit the old KOL into this portion, and then you can swap your old KOL to the new KOL. And then if you want it, then you can also restake it again here. But either way, again, it's already available, and you will be able to download it. You will be able to buy it directly actually on Bitmark, and also enjoy some staking at this moment right here. So going back to Bitmark, you will be able to stake your KOL tokens here at this portion right here. So you will be able to stake it. For example, for 30-day duration, you can get an APY of 100%, and you will just subscribe and put how many KOL that you want to stake. So there's only like 500,000 KOLs that's just available here, and you will be able to get it next month. So because it's just like a 30-day period. So again, to show to you guys, so I log in. So for example, and then I go to the spot, and then I search for KOL, and then click the earn, and you will go here and just click subscribe. So I hope that's pretty much clear for everybody here. Also, if you will go into this portion right here, even LOH or KOL, as you can see that you will stake it for like 12 months, and you will get 10% a month. So after the duration has been finished, you'll be also able to get your tokens after that. So you will get like a passive rewards, but at the same time, your tokens are still there, and you can definitely hold it into the next bull run wherein we do expect that it can go up by maybe 25x or maybe more. So that's pretty much it, guys. So for me, whether you stake KOL or LOH doesn't matter, because I do think that both of these tokens are relatively really good. And of course, if you're making some really like passive income, even though like anything bad happens, right? Or maybe like there's like another bear market or that's going to happen, you're still going to get a reward. So it's actually a win-win for you guys. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. So I will be putting all of the links in the comment section down below where you'll be able to stake KOL on Bitmark, where you'll be able to buy KOL on Bitmark, where you'll be able to stake the new KOLs, and where you should put your old KOL to your new KOL as well. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. And thank you so much. God bless to everybody.